All right. I'm going to continue this case. This is Gray County 40460 in the interest of Bryson Lewis. I'm going to continue this case until March 7th at 10:30, the same time. If you all hire an attorneys or one attorney, you need to hire that person quickly. Do not wait until March to do it, because that attorney will not have time to make an appearance in this court proceeding. If you do file for divorce, you need to tell your attorney there is an attorney general case. It's already pending in Gray County, and be sure they know it. It can get very tricky if they don't know about it, and it can be very easy procedurally if they do know about it. All right, so I will see you all back on March 7th. If you hire an attorney, they need to file what's called an answer. So I know that on the case, and you can tell them I'm Judge Judy in Childress. My last name is Sundstrom, Sundstrom.
And Your Honor, I believe that the case was reset last time in part because we did not have income documents from Mr. Lewis. He doesn't have any today. So I would ask the court to admonish Mr. Lewis, if he does appear pro se, to go ahead and provide those income documents.
All right, that's part of what you're required to do, whether you do a divorce or whether you go with the AG's office to set child support. You are ordered to provide income documents, your IRS return. And here we are at the start of a year. I'm going to require your December paychecks that show year-to-date income.
Okay.
From every employer you had in 2021.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, does that go for me too?
Pardon? Yeah, for the divorce, it will, absolutely.
Okay. And will this be another Zoom meeting?
It will.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Lewis, if you hire an attorney, contact that attorney right before March 7th and see if you need to appear or what's going on in the case. Ms. Lewis, you need to call the AG's office and see if you need to be here or whether the divorce is already pending, okay?
Okay, and you said that the attorney, if I hire one, needs to file what?
It's called an answer. They will know.
Okay.
It's just a statement saying that they represent you.
That nigga feels like excuse me.
All right, thank you both. I will not grant another continuance past March 7th.
He had a
You
great
need
county.
to act quickly if that's what you want to do.
Thank you very much.
Of any kind of delay on this case, okay?
Thank you.
All righty.
All right, bye-bye.
I just had a great county, this and that stuff.
All right, Mr. Session,
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Delatorre has not made an appearance here today. All right. Mr. Poyster, you want to meet with Mr. Session briefly?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm going to put you in a private room where you can talk to Mr. Poyster. She's an attorney with the AG's office. All right, Ms. Neal.
Yes, Your Honor. I believe we have an agreement to announce in this case.
Okay.
Your Honor, which room am I going to with Mr. Session?
Pardon?
Which room am I going to with Mr. Session? Excuse me for interrupting.
You're in room 1.
Oh, thanks, Judge.
All right, I'm going to, I have the recorder on and I'm going to turn on a second recorder, so we're covered. All right, today's date is February 7th, 2022. In Gray County, Texas, I call cause number 38042 in the interest of the Guerrero children. What says the state?
The state's ready, Your Honor.
Present in person is Blanca Urrutia, by telephone, is Blanca Urrutia. Ms. Urrutia, are you ready to proceed?
Yes.
Also present by audio and video is Joel Guerrero. Are you ready, Mr. Guerrero?
Yes.
All right, go ahead, Ms. Neal, make the announcement.
Your Honor, I would request that you take judicial notice of the temporary orders in this case that were entered, I believe, in October of 2021.
All right, I take judicial notice of the contents of the court's file, specifically the temporary orders from 2021.
Your Honor, the current child support will be set at $541 per month, and then there will be step downs as there are 4 children. And so this first step down would be $460, and then $378, and then another step down to $294 per month, and a medical support order in the amount of $50 per month. Those obligations would begin on March 1st of 2022.
All right. And is that everything?
Yes, Your Honor, the temporary orders address the retroactive child support and medical support, and those numbers will remain the same.
All right, and I'm waiting court costs in this matter.
Okay.
Right, Ms. Neal is going to prepare that order for my signature. I approve the agreement you've made. She's going to prepare that order. I will sign off on it. There is a period of 3 business days during which anybody can request a new hearing. If you do that, you get a new hearing in front of the district judge and he would start over, make his own decision. But if nobody does that, this order starts to become, and you should get a copy by email or possibly by regular. If you don't get one within about 2 weeks, call the Amarillo AG's office and remind them to send one to you. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you both. Good luck to you and your family.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
I think that's everybody, Ms. Neal.
Okay, Your Honor. May I be excused?
You bet. Thanks so much for your help. We wouldn't have made it without you today.
You're welcome. You have a good afternoon.
Bye-bye.
Bye.